Hello, Wards Intelligence subscribers. Today, I will provide you with helpful tips and best practices for finding data within the Wards Intelligence Data Center. To begin, log into the Wards Intelligence website via the link wardsintelligence.informa.com. Once you are signed in, you will click on the menu icon to the left side of the screen and then select Data Center. Once the Data Center opens, filter the available data by either region, data terms, or periodicity. To use this section, you can select up to one filter from each section to locate data. In some instances, you may only need to select one filter to meet your search criteria. For example, selecting installation rates from the data terms category updates the other fields to show the regions and periodicity available for that filtered criteria. Wards Intelligence provides global data, which can be filtered by selecting the region filter. Selecting a region will update the rest of the categories to show the data available for that region. For example, I'm selecting on Asia Pacific and the categories update. When looking for a specific country within a given region, click on the plus icon to expand the region and find specific countries. Please note that different regions and countries offer different data. The Data Center also has two other sections available on the front page. Latest data to the right is a rotating section for the most recent version of each regular table, and key data at the bottom of the page offers frequently used tables, including equipment installation rates for the current model year, as well as a historic look at vehicle sales within the United States. Navigating back to the top of the Data Center, we will now pull the monthly US sales file by selecting North America from the region category, expanding to select the United States, and then selecting sales. I can also select periodicity here, but I will be selecting that here on the next page once we select search. Once the search page opens, you can see that you have the option to filter your content further here on the left side of the page with a filter by category. You can change your search in the data terms, the region, the date, the topics, the periodicity, and here I'm going to select the monthly periodicity. This will take our result down from 495 results to 357 results. The content is posted to match the search criteria with the most recent content that has been posted. Scrolling down, we will find the most recent monthly US light vehicle sales file. We'll click on that and then download the file into Excel and open up so we can view the data. Once the Excel file opens, you may be prompted for an Enable Content button. This enables you to manipulate the data here shown within charts, reports, and top models. The Data and Filters category provides the raw data for the current light vehicle sales. The document automatically populates the simple detail format, but when you expand to full detail, fields for things like vehicle type, segment, power type, and source appear. Closing out of the Excel document and migrating back to the Wards Intelligence website, we're now going to try to locate this same monthly file for 2018. As the titles for these reports are consistent, you will be able to copy and paste the title into the search bar and change the date to reflect the time period that you wish. So I will copy the US light vehicle sales file for January of 2020, and I will change this to 2018. This gives me 310 different results, which I will narrow down to download so I can get the Excel data. And I will narrow down further to periodicity so I can find the individual monthly files for 2018. At the top, we are provided with US light vehicle sales for December of 2018, and further down, we'll be provided with further months for 2018. This file is highly interactive and useful for the US. However, we do have several other files available for other countries that provides data on sales and production. Thank you for taking some time to review our best practices for getting the most out of the Wards Intelligence Data Center. Please review other videos in this series to help optimize your access to the Wards Intelligence subscription website.